Here's a quick idea of something that might save you some money and really provide some excellent service for you. As you can see here, I have a scroll saw project that I'm about to cut, but with stuff like this, there's always an issue with light and good lighting, and there are some pretty expensive accessories you can buy for machines for lighting. But take a look at this. I'm not selling this in any way for the company, but this is some LED book lights. I just got these at Costco. I got 2 sets of these on sale for $12.99. I can apply them right here on my scroll saw, and then the neat thing is I can take these arms and I can put them right where I need the light and turn them on, and take a look at that excellent light I get. So I get a little bit of vibration from this, but it doesn't seem to affect the lighting. And that light is right where I want it. I can see that it works well on my scroll saw, and I'll show you how it looks on my bandsaw. Now you can see here on my Rikon bandsaw, all I had to do is find a location here in the rear and clip it on there just like it's clipping on a book. These lights you push once and you get the most intense lighting, and a second time and it's a dimmer light. I wouldn't use the dim one, but you can concentrate that light right where you want it, and you can see when I turn this on, they just do an excellent job. 3 AAA batteries go about 9 hours, and for me it's worth the ease of having better lighting and not having electrical cords hanging all over the place. So I hope this gives you an idea. Have a great day. Bye-bye.